Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to match wall colors and texture perfectly in Heartopia without guessing the color. And okay, let's get started. First, just select or highlight the wall that already has the color that you want to use. But before I want to go to inside my house, I want to change on the wall inside my house like this. And then next, just highlight or select the wall that already has the color that you want to use. And then next, just tap on the color picker, this color picker icon, just tap on it. And then next, just simply point or highlight the wall that you want to recolor, for example like this. And then next, just simply tap on checklist like this. Both wall now have the exact same color and texture. This method is perfect for keeping your house designs clean, neat, and consistent. No more mismatched wall. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.